Do you know which are the 10 hottest countries in the world right now, in 2024? No? Well, let's go on a heated journey to find out. Our planet is a fascinating place, filled with diverse climates and extreme conditions. And speaking of extremes, we're about to explore the countries that are turning up the heat. We're not talking about spicy food or trendy fashion, we're talking about temperature. These countries experience temperatures so high, they make the average summer day seem like a winter's chill. From the scorching deserts of the Middle East to the arid expanses of North Africa, these 10 countries are at the top of the heat index. And let's not forget about the challenges and adaptations that come with such extreme heat, so buckle up as we delve into this hot topic. Starting from number 10, we have Kuwait. This Middle Eastern country is known for its desert climate, where the blazing sun reigns supreme throughout the year. Summer is particularly intense, with temperatures often skyrocketing beyond a sweltering 50 degrees Celsius. That's a sizzling 122 degrees Fahrenheit for our friends using the imperial system. Imagine the mercury rising to such heights almost regularly. Scorching, isn't it? But we're just getting started. Moving on, we've got the United Arab Emirates, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Oman. The United Arab Emirates, especially cities like Dubai and Abu Dhabi, regularly feel the burn of the sun's rays, with summer temperatures that reach over 45 degrees Celsius. The country's geography, largely desert and coastal areas, contributes to this intense heat. Next up, we find ourselves in Iraq. Not just known for its rich history and culture, Iraq also has a reputation for its sizzling climates. The vast desert regions endure searing heat during the summer months, with temperatures commonly surpassing 50 degrees Celsius. Now let's journey to Saudi Arabia. Much of this nation experiences intense heat, especially in the central and eastern regions. Here, temperatures frequently soar above 45 degrees Celsius. The desert terrain and lack of rivers or lakes to provide cooling effects are key factors in these high temperatures. Finally, for this part of our global temperature tour, we have Oman. Oman's desert climate leads to scorching temperatures, often exceeding 45 degrees Celsius in summer. The country's geographical position near the equator and minimal cloud cover are significant contributors to its high temperatures. These countries prove that the Earth's furnace can indeed run high. Imagine experiencing that kind of heat on a daily basis. Coming in at 5th and 4th places are Iran and Libya. Now let's dive into the sweltering climates of these two countries. Iran, with its vast inland regions and deserts such as the Dasht-e-Kavir, faces blistering heat throughout the year. The country is no stranger to temperatures often climbing above 45 degrees Celsius in the summer. What a scorcher. Moving on, we have Libya. Libya's expansive Sahara Desert territories are a testament to its heat endurance. This North African country experiences some of the highest temperatures on the planet. In the summer, the average temperatures can easily exceed 45 degrees Celsius. It's a land where the sun's rays are relentless, and the heat is a constant companion. These two countries, with their desert terrains and unforgiving heat, are a testament to the power of our planet's climate. And the mercury keeps rising as we move up the list. Taking the bronze and silver spots in our hot list are Sudan and Algeria. Sudan, the bronze medalist in our temperature tally, is known for its arid climate which brings sweltering heat, particularly in the northern desert regions. Throughout the summer months, Sudanese temperatures can easily surpass 45 degrees Celsius. Now, let's hop over to North Africa for a rendezvous with our silver contender, Algeria. Much of Algeria is draped by the Sahara Desert, leading to scorching temperatures. In the summer months, Algerian mercury often rises beyond 45 degrees Celsius. But don't be fooled by these numbers because in both countries, the temperatures can sometimes rocket even higher. So, whether it's the vast expanses of the Sudanese desert or the sandy stretches of the Sahara in Algeria, you're sure to encounter some serious heat. Prepare for the ultimate sizzle as we reveal the hottest country in the world. And finally, the gold medal for the hottest country in the world in 2024 goes to Qatar. Holding the record for the highest temperature ever recorded in the Eastern Hemisphere, this Middle Eastern nation is no stranger to extreme heat. With its arid desert climate, Qatar is a heavyweight contender in the hot weather game. The country's average annual temperature is a blistering 40 degrees Celsius, often soaring even higher during the summer months. Factor in the relentless desert sun and the lack of natural shade, and you've got a recipe for some serious heat. But it's not just the climate that contributes to Qatar's sizzling status. The rapid urbanization and extensive use of concrete and asphalt, which absorb and re-radiate the sun's heat, have also played a role in turning up the thermostat. So, if you're planning a visit, don't forget your sunscreen and a wide-brimmed hat. You're going to need them. Talk about a heat wave! So there you have it, the 10 hottest countries in the world in 2024. We've journeyed from the scorching deserts of Kuwait to the sizzling cities of the UAE. We've felt the blistering heat of Iraq's vast regions and experienced the intense warmth of Saudi Arabia's central and eastern parts. We've seen how Oman's desert climate leads to soaring temperatures and how Iran's inland regions aren't far behind. We've ventured into Libya's Sahara Desert expanses and endured Sudan's sweltering northern regions. We've navigated the burning landscapes of Algeria and finally felt the extreme summer heat of Qatar's desert climate. These countries, each uniquely beautiful, endure some of the highest temperatures on our planet. Remember, these rankings are based on average annual temperatures, so they might vary a bit year by year. But one thing's for sure, these countries know how to handle the heat.